Let's move on to the exercise 7.5. First question. See the question, you have given some diagrams. You have to just write the appropriate sign. See the first diagram. Write these fractions appropriately as addition or subtraction. First one part is shaded, that is 1 by 5, then it is 2 by 5. And at the last it is given 3 by 5. So what you did? 1 plus 2, 3. That is you did the addition. So in the blank you have to put the sign of addition. In the next, a whole 5 parts are shaded. 3 parts are taken away and 2 are left. So that is 5 minus 3 will give you 2. So what is the answer here? Subtraction, that 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5 will give you 2 by 5. So this way you can do the question answers by yourself. Third is, what you can do? 4 are there. 4 minus 3, you are getting only 1 ball. So what is the answer? 4 by 6 minus 3 by 6 will give you 1 by 6. So that is the question of subtraction. Now see, that you can do by yourself. Question number 2, solve. So in question number 2, all the questions I will not solve. Whatever is IMP or whatever is little bit tough, that only I will solve. So you see the first question, 1 by 18 plus 1 by 18. So here denominators are same, means both the fractions are like fractions. So what we have to do? Addition of numerator. So this is 1 plus 1 divided by 18. Now we know that we can reduce this 1 by 9. So this way we can solve the first question. Then I am solving the C question. This is your A. C, what is that? 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7. These are also like fraction. So 7 minus 5, subtraction of numerator divided by 7. What answer you are getting? 2 by 7. Next is 1 by 22 plus 21 by 22. So 21 plus 21 divided by 22, you are getting answer 22 divided by 22, which is equal to 1. Now I am solving the question number G. That is 1 minus 2 by 3. One hint is given to you that 1 can be represented as 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Now do the subtraction. 3 minus 2 divided by 3 will give you 1 by 3. So this way we can solve the question number G. Next is 1 by 4 plus 0 by 4. What is your answer? 1 by 4. 3 minus 12 by 5. 3 minus 12 by 5. How will you solve this? So here, this is not a like fraction. So here 1 is there. This is unlike fraction. So how will you do this? That you have to convert into like fractions. Okay. So how will you convert this? Your LCM is 5. So 3 into 5 divided by 1 into 5 minus 12 divided by 5. So what is your answer? 15 divided by 5 minus 12 divided by 5. So which is equal to 15 minus 12 divided by 5, which is equal to 3 by 5. So this way you can solve the question number 2. Not all questions I have solved, but if like fractions are there, where it is very easy to do the addition and subtraction, you have to consider only for the numerator. If unlike fraction is there, that time you have to convert them into like fraction and then do the addition or subtraction. Thank you. Next we will move on to the question number 3. See question number 3. How to solve this question? Let's see. Shubham painted 2 by 3 of the wall space in his room. His sister Madhuri had and painted 1 by 3 of the wall space. How much did they paint together? Together means we have to find the total amount of wall painted by both. So what we have to do? Painted by Shubham plus painted by his sister Madhuri. So we have to do the addition. So here Shubham, whatever data are given, listed out. Shubham painted 2 by 3 of wall and Madhuri painted 1/3 of wall space. So now what we have to do together? So wall space painted by both is equal to, we have to do addition, 2/3 plus 1/3, which is equal to 2 plus 1 divided by 3, which is equal to 3/3, which is equal to 1. 1 means together they have painted the whole wall. Okay, because we are getting the answer once, means together they have painted whole wall. Okay, so this way we can solve question number 3.